Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you very tasty and very delicious sweet recipe, that is carrot halwa. Please watch complete video for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get latest updates of all my videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Today I am preparing carrot halwa. So I have taken few carrots here. Now I am going to grate this. Like this I am going to grate all the carrots. Now you can see I have grated all the carrot like this. Now I am going to transfer it into cooker. After transferring the carrot to cooker, now I am adding milk. Today I am using Nandini milk, creamed milk. Now I have added 2 cups of milk. After adding milk, I am adding just 1 pinch of sugar so that the color of the carrot remains the same. Now I will pressure cook it for 2 whistles and then I will show you. Now I have taken one small pan. For that I am adding ghee. Today I am using homemade ghee. Once the ghee starts heating, I am adding cashews. Now I am adding chopped almonds. Now I am adding dry grapes. We have to roast this in very slow flame. Once it turns to little golden brown in color, I will switch off the stove. Now I will switch off the stove. After pressure cooking carrot for 2 whistles along with milk, it looks like this. Now I am going to transferring it to a pan. Today I am using aluminium pan so that water evaporates very quickly. So it's better to use aluminium pan. Now again I am cooking the carrot until the water content and the milk should evaporates. See, like this we need to cook. You can see it's already soft as we have pressure cooked it. If you want, you can add kova also. Today I am not using kova. As the carrot is already cooked, now I am adding sugar. I have already used 1 cup of milk, and in the same measuring cup I am adding 1.5 cup of sugar. As per your taste you can add sugar. Another half cup, 1.5 cups of sugar. Mix it well. In my previous video I showed how to prepare carrot olge also. I will attach the link. If you have not checked it, you can check it. You can see when the water content starts evaporating, the quantity also starts decreasing. Still there is water content in this, you can see the bubbles. Still we need to cook it until the water content completely evaporates. You can see now half of the quantity is decreased. Now I have taken cardamom. Today I am using 5 cardamom. Now I am making powder by using hand. If you want, you can mix it with sugar and you can grind it in mixer also. If you want fresh flavor of cardamom, you can do it like this. It gives very good aroma if you do it like this. See, like this, within 1 minute we can prepare fresh cardamom powder. Now cardamom powder is also ready. If you are using kova, you can add kova at this stage. Now I am adding ghee. This is homemade ghee. Ghee also you can add it as per your taste. Now I have added 2 spoons of ghee. Now mix it well. There is still little water content. It needs to evaporate. Now I am adding fresh cardamom powder which I prepared now. And if you slightly taste it, you should not feel the raw smell of carrot. So like that we need to cook. Again I am adding 1 more spoon of ghee. Now I am adding roasted cashews, almonds and dry grapes. I am adding very few now, and remaining I am keeping it for garnishing. one more indication whether it is cooked or what, to check that. See, it should neatly come out of the pan. It should not stick to the pan. Even I am feeling the aroma of ghee and cardamom. Now I am adding 1 pinch of salt. As we are preparing sweet, we need to add 1 pinch of salt so that it will give taste to our sweet recipes. Now my carrot halwa is almost done. See, it's not sticking to the pan also. It's coming out very neatly. Now I'll switch off the stove. Now you can see very tasty carrot halwa is ready. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.